to the tool, we refresh it, and we can now see there's one guild existing with one member in it, which is Caesar, and Crassus can be added to that guild, so let's do that. Now there's 2 members in it, and let's switch to Crassus being active as well, and back to single player. Continue. Into the Crassus character. His own house is still here. He can build on that. But if you check the clan settings, he's now part of the Caesar Salad Club. Which means that if he runs over to Caesar's house here, he can build here, just like any other clan member will be able to, of course. You can use this to run alternative characters for yourself, or to share one save game between multiple people on the same computer without having to run a server, really. So that's one way to use it. Anything else you can think of, really? We go back to the main menu one last time. And we say we want to play with Caesar instead. So now we are logged onto Caesar character, and he can build in the clan territory, of course, just like anyone else. So, there you have it.